Ladies and gentlemen, may I direct your attention to something quite extraordinary, quite incredible, quite unlike anything you may have experienced in your life.
Hello.
Hey Francis, did you get the job?
As usual, rejected.
Francis, hereafter I can't wait. So let us end this here. Let's break.
No, Nigga, let me explain. Brother, one tea, please. Brother, tea cancel.
Brother, have this. I don't know what happened to you, but everything will be alright in one day. Be happy, don't worry. Take care.
Brother, one tea.
Brother, your tea is here. Thank you.
Brother, last 2 weeks I was observing that in your shop there is no customer.
That's not for 2 weeks, but about 2 years it is running like this. I also have some desire to develop it, but then it's very difficult. I have some hope. Somehow I'll try to modify it.
But I have an idea.
What's that?
If you develop this shop, there will be more customers.
It seems a nice idea. I also have got a job for you. Have this car, just you call them, make some arrangement, meet them. Okay, you will get nice job.
Thanks, brother. I have an idea. I will make the plan and I will give to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Bye.
Dad, I want something to eat. Stop here in this shop. I want this and this.
Hey, we asked you long time. You still didn't pay money for us.
Oi. For you only 1 week alone time. You must pay back the money.
My son, it will also change, like all other situation. It will also pass away, so don't worry.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Have your seat. Give the purpose.
Gentlemen, introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. I am Francis. I have finished my BA Computer Science. I am good in JavaScript. I am searching for a job long time, so I have come to your company in order to get a good job.
Gentlemen, congratulations. You are selected for this job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hello, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, sir. Today I am happy. Because of you, I have got selected to the job. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you need to thank me. Thank God.
Just asking what he wants.
What do you want?
Thane off yung pohon bam na noro la ars ngike. Ajong bam. Pohon bam na noro la ars.
Huh? Hey!
Take it. What happened?
Yo, tate,
Okay, no problem. Don't worry, I'm there for you. I will take care of you.
Dad, did you remember that yesterday you promised me to give the golden fish? Can you please buy me today?
Sorry, son. I don't have enough money. Tomorrow.
But you promised me.
For what? No money.
I understand.
Damn. What about your studies? Are you doing well?
Yes, Dad.
But you are not at all listening in the classroom. Teacher is complaining.
No, Dad, don't listen to teacher. You listen to me. I'm your son.
You carry on. Hello?
Sir, do you want any loan?
Here I'll try. I will not take any loans. Sorry.
And thus, all the characters filled with unending hope finally get a taste of success in their lives. It is in our collective journey that we find strength, and in our shared aspirations that we cultivate unending hope.